A flowering plant has ample reason to identify as non-binary, as it boasts both male and female reproductive parts. Now, the male sexual organ of a plant is referred to as the stamen, while the female sexual organ is known as the pistil, containing the stigma, style, and ovary. Now, the stamen produces pollen grains, and the seeds of the plant develop in the pistil. Now, typically, the pollen grains are transported to the pistils with the help of insects and birds that visit flowers to pilfer their sweet juices. Now, pollen grains are uncommonly sticky, and this is adaptive because as insects loot the flower for its nectar, pollen adheres to their bodies. The stigmas of flowers are also quite tacky and snatch the pollen grains off the flagellating insects. Pollination is the movement of pollen grains formed on the flower's anther to the flower's stigma, and pollinators are the delivery service. The male reproductive cells, gametes, are carried in the pollen grain. So the grain travels through the ovary tube of the plant where it meets the female gametes in the ovules. And voila, fertilization. It's not exactly dinner and a movie, but there is a certain sort of understated romance to it all. Now, when the pollen fertilizes an ovule, it transforms into a seed that contains an embryo in the form of a root and a shoot and some stored food for the aforementioned future germination. Then the ovary wall develops into a pod or a fruit for the singular purpose of safeguarding the seed. It's all about the seed. So seeds are dispersed by wind and gravity and water. In some plants, seeds are housed within a fruit, such as apples and oranges. These fruits, including the seeds, are eaten by animals who then disperse the seeds when they defecate, unwittingly planting them in fertilizer. The fruit exists to safeguard the seed, insulating the potentiality of life. Seed, germination, sprouting, seedling, maturing, pollination, fertilization, fruiting, seed. And around it goes. Seeds beget seeds within an intricate web of mutuality and interdependence that evolved over millions and millions of years. See, nature designs for life. Regeneration is built into nature's operating system. This is the web of life.